morning, guys. I am still with voice problems. Off to school. My sinus has slowed me down a little this morning, so hopefully nothing will go wrong and I'll get to where I need to go in time. The bus. I was waiting on the bus for like 40 minutes yesterday. So hopefully that doesn't happen again. Catch you later. Hey guys, I'm at the bus stop outside of my school, waiting on taking the bus to my other school. So that's what I'm doing right now. Sitting here waiting, and I noticed Chicago barbecue. It's got hot dog, bacon, chicken, barbecue sauce, cheddar, and corn on a pizza. They're already at a Chicago barbecue in Spain. Go figure. I thought that was interesting. I thought I'd show you. Hopefully my voice, it's getting a little better, but hopefully things will be good. Yeah. Hello. I am on my way back home to the neighborhood. I just stopped at the bank to try again. Still can't get to it. To the money. So I'm doing my best to keep with what I have. I've gone with charging, and we're going to talk about every day. Spend as little as possible, and I know it works there. So kind of dark right here. Hey, you can see me. So that's what I've been doing. Don't want to do it, but not too much, I don't think. Hopefully there won't be too much of a international charge on that or anything. But I'll deal. Whatever. Okay, almost home. See you there. Hey guys, I'm gonna call it a night. Yeah. I just watched Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., another good episode. Apparently there's none on next week. It's gonna be the week after, because it's just after Halloween, so I don't know. That was something else on probably. So I just have to, excuse me, I just have to wait a little longer, and hopefully I'll get access to the check, and then hopefully I'll get paid by the school, by Madrid, and then hopefully I'll get paid at the English school also, and then I'll be set. Only a little bit longer to wait for that though, so good night.